Arts administration students have been working with community partners on the ground to create strategic plans, to think about public art in the community, to program public spaces, and that real behind-the-scenes work that builds capacity in these communities to sustain creative work moving forward. The Huntingburg Community Arts Plan really focuses on the Market Street Park development and how to program that space. And so I think that the idea of a monthly concert series really came out of arts administration students working with city officials to think about how to promote and program and manage that space.
So Fourth Fridays is an outdoor concert series that takes place in Market Street Park. Market Street Park was one of our stellar projects. That was a partnership with the state of Indiana.
From looking at from our comprehensive plan that we went over a few years ago and designed a few years ago with the help of IU, from what I understand, that a lot of people are concerned with things to do. It's also an opportunity, once again, for the diversity that we have in our city to all come together in one spot and one location. And I think, once again, we talked about the fact that our people are our most important asset that we have here. And by having an opportunity for everybody to come together and enjoy what we have, way of culture and whatever, through the arts and things of this kind, it just makes the city a better place to live.
You know, we've had musicians from the Jacobs School of Music and IU theater students going out into communities, as well as MFA student artists from the Eskenazi School of Art, Architecture, and Design, having experiences in communities that I think are truly impactful for their work and for their own career interests. These are future artists of our world getting a real taste of what it's like to live and work in rural Indiana and how to use their creative practice in a way that engages community on a meaningful level. And I think that you can't understate the importance of that work on our students here on campus.
One thing that surprised me, I think, is honestly how easy things have been and how collaborative the spirit is. I got my undergrad from IU, I'm an alum, and I never thought that someday Indiana University would be coming to the city that I live in, the town that I live in, and helping us architect community events and arts programming and things like that. So just the fact that that's possible and that kind of investment in the community is there is probably what's surprised me the most.
My hopes for the future of Huntingburg is that we continue to build on this foundation that's been set through this partnership with the IU Center for Rural Engagement, that our residents see the rich cultural foundation that's here and just continue to build upon that.